guys, this is Nina Perez, and it is freezing like a mofo up in here. This is Memoirs of a Fat Girl. This is PJ, your fitness concierge. It is it is freezing. I don't even know. I can't even get to my damn watch. I don't even know how cold it is.
Got hand warmers. So
it is cold. Woo! Anyway, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started because people are already here warming up. Don't forget to go onto the channel and subscribe. We're doing this to be healthy, but we want you to be healthy with us. So come and join this community. I'm hoping to lose hopefully about 100 pounds or so. So we will see how this journey goes, because this is an actual journey of a real person going through it real time. All the F-ups, all the mess-ups, the frustrations, the anger, all of that is here for you. So PJ, what's up today?
We're gonna keep it moving when it's cold like this outside. The less time we have to rest, we're just gonna keep at it. We'll shorten the time, but we'll make sure we get a great workout in, and make sure you go vote.
Yeah. Go vote. Very, very importante. I don't care who you vote for, just go vote.
Go vote.
Anyway, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Peace.
so much for watching. It is still freaking cold out here, but he kept us moving, and we had to do a lot of like core training and core strength and stuff like that, and really kept us moving. So we didn't really feel the cold. Do you feel it now because you're slowing down and the sweat now is It's
That's
cold.
it.
Yeah, it's cold. But we are looking for a location that we can possibly rent for a couple of days a week. We'll see how that works out. But please don't be afraid. Still come out here if you are willing to, you know, fend the cold.
Brave the cold. Come
We've
on
done
out.
it. We've done it. We've
That's
done
it.
it. So, what are the tips for working out outside when it's cold?
Cold weather gear. Put a pair of gloves on. Some people are like, I won't want the gloves. The minute your fingertips have to hit the turf or the ground is cold. You're gonna wish you had the gloves on. Put layers on. Don't be afraid to put layers. You're gonna sweat anyway. You can always, and when you go home, you never want to be working out and so cold that you can't even do the activity.
Yeah.
So just layer up, come on out, and you know, I wouldn't tell anybody to peel anything off. Like you start sweating and you're like, oh, I'm gonna take this off. Just stay with it, because you know, we limit the rest time on purpose, and our stations are quick, they're succinct, and we just keep moving. This way you don't get too cold while you're out here.
Yeah, so the whole I guess the whole premise of what he's saying is don't make any excuses. Just kind of go ahead and do what you got to do. Now, a lot of you know that you have been following me on my journey and asking me questions on how I'm doing and so on and so forth, and I'm doing great. Seeing Dr. Juan for my physical therapy, so that's coming along. I have a few more weeks of that. So I ran today, but I felt my knee getting a little loose there, so I had to stop. But hey, listen, you do what you got to do. You get your big asses out here and you do what you got to do, for real, for real. Like, that's the way I speak to myself. It's like, get your fat ass up. I have spent 48 years wishing, hoping, you know, thinking and not doing, and that has to end. Like, it has to end. So I was telling my husband that it's still a struggle. Like, I still struggle mentally about having to go work out, you know, but I do it anyway.
Right.
I just keep doing it anyway, but I'm like a little frustrated because I already want it to be a part. That's something I just already automatically do.
Absolutely.
And I'm not on the automatic yet. Not like
okay.
you know how you just get up, you know what you got to do, boom, you get it done.
That's right.
Yeah.
And it's not as sometimes I'm like, don't want to work out today, don't want to go do this. Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.
And I can talk myself out of it just as easy as I can just be like, all right, just get it done. It just depends upon the day. As it gets colder, everybody wants to hibernate, put on clothes, eat comfort food. You can still do that within reason. I said, but get up outside and get your workouts in. And when you're colder, your body works overtime in burning those calories because it has to keep your core cold, warm.
And you know, another thing, don't make excuses, guys. Don't make excuses. If you missed a day, you missed a day. Don't make it a week. Don't make it 3 weeks. Don't make it a month. Make it a day. I mean, yesterday was Sunday is always a day off for me. It's a day I spend with my husband and the Lord. So that's my day off. But usually, if I feel like that, like I had a miss last week Tuesday or something, I was feeling guilty, and I said, Nina, stop. You're gonna go Wednesday. You're gonna go Thursday. You're gonna go Friday. You're gonna go Saturday. So you have to start changing here, man. Start changing here, and I'm telling you, it's gonna go forward. 90% is what you put in your pie hole. 10% is the exercise.
It's the exercise.
Right? So, you know, guys, don't give up. Stay in there, hang in there with us. Make sure that you click like and subscribe to our channel. Click that little bell notification so you don't miss a video. That way you can be a part of this healthy community. We are going to keep growing this thing, for real, for real.
Absolutely.
And the more that I keep advertising this to you guys, and the more you guys keep sharing it, the more we will grow as a healthy community, and then we can get everybody on board to like do what they need to do to make their lives last longer, to just have a better heart. I am borderline diabetic, so I'm trying to reverse that in my life. So you guys need to do what you got to do too, right? Nobody can hold your hands, but we can definitely encourage you.
That's right. That's right.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Nina Perez, P.J., your fitness concierge. Until next time.
Fat out.